There is so many iconic characters you've played, and a personal favorite, and I'm sure the audience will agree, being Mohini. With these films, which has been your most memorable, iconic female-led character, and why?
I think every film I did, I was very fortunate that I got characters which were very strong. They were strong women. Whether it was Beta or a Dil or Raja or, Dil To Pagal Hai or Mrityudand. I mean, that is one film that I really enjoyed making. Also because for me, it was like pushing the envelope as a woman.
Absolutely.
Because people considered me to be the baby of commercial films. And Mrityudand was considered to be an art film. And the two were like separate things. You couldn't merge the two. And I said, no, I want to do it because it's a great role. And it's about women empowerment. It's about women standing up and speaking for herself. And that's the kind of message I'd like to give to the people. And that is one of my memorable films for me.
Over the years, Madhuri ji, Bollywood has evolved significantly, as I'm sure we will all agree. But with you sharing this journey of over 40 years in the business, what's been the most defining change you have felt that has taken place in all this time?
You know, there was a time when I used to be on the set, and the only women on the set used to be me, my co-actors, and the hairdressers. I had not seen any woman in any other department except these, and very, very, very few women directors. Sai Paranspe is the only name I knew at that time, was a woman and directed films. Now, when I came back and I walk onto the sets, there are women in every department, whether they are ADs or DOPs, writers, more directors than they used to be, and women everywhere, which I think is very heartening to see, and that's a very, very big change.
It is changing in cinema, both whether it's internationally or in India for women, but what initiatives or establishments, or what do you think we can do more with people like yourselves that have led this business to empower and to get more women behind the camera?
You know, I feel, genuinely live in an echo chamber. We have beautiful partners that we work with in our companies, in our organizations. We work with incredible people, having good men in our life, aware, evolved men. So I feel like we live in an echo chamber, but hamare aage bhi duniya hai, which is not as empowered, and which is what we all need to hold hands and encompass, right? So I feel like there are so many women, like there are more women in my office than men. And there is a lot of pride. I mean, it's an organization led by a woman, and there's a lot of pride. We don't have that lens of, most of my slate is female-led. Be it Paglet, Kathal, or even when we did Surarari Potru, you see the characters, or you see any of the women characters, even in Kill. You see how any of the women characters, how they're shown, even in a testosterone-heavy film. So there is always this lens. But I feel like our lens is an echo chamber, and then there is a lot to be done, because jab stats aate hain bahar and it says less than 3% women are directors, then I feel like, why is that happening, Less than 9% are in crew. In fact, a very, very disturbing stat that I really, really want to share is that everybody tries to make their low-budget films with female DOPs when they have no money. The minute their next film happens, the same crew moves on to make films with, we will go do this. And smaller budget things go to women DOPs constantly. And that really, disturbed me, that information. That why is it being treated as, ye sabse difficult, chota AV hai, ya difficult kaam hai, ye karwa lete hain, but film kisi aur se banwa lenge, right? The craft is the same. And the craft evolves with more work and more opportunities. So there is clearly some sort of, I think we are all born in patriarchy, and we are learning feminism every day. हम लोग हर रोज अपने आप को एजुकेट करते हैं, और हम लोग हर रोज सोचते हैं कि आज हम थोड़ा सा एनवेलप कैसे मूव करें. So at large, to all the amazing men who understand that women put up a huge fight 10 times over to win it once. Who understand this? You know, we need to double down on more colleagues in the industry.
And one of the things when we talk about women or men in any industry, there's always this question about the gender pay gap and how that's closing. Like you said, you'd like to see women being supported by men. What have you felt? Has there been a difference, especially Madhuriji, from the very early years? Today, you know, female actresses in India can command just as much for a film or be on the producing side and be on the business side. Have you felt a difference there on that pay gap?
Well, I think for the women, they have to prove themselves time and again and time and again. And to say that, you know, we are equally, we can draw an audience, we can do that, but you have to prove it every single time. And yes, there is still a disparity, but like she said, it's like pushing the envelope, you know, every time, a little bit more, and it's like baby steps. We are still a long way away from, you know, actual, the disparity not happening, but I think we have a long way to go, and we have to kind of work every day towards that.
I mean, having said that, there was Barbie last year and there was 3-2, which was women-led and is you know, the film is called only 3-2. And there was Barbie last year. So I just think that there are full possibilities of breaking the box office. There are full possibilities of creating those moments.
No, I think that happens. Like when I did, say, a Raja, people said it should have been called a Rani, or I did Beta, it should have been called Beti. But it all is words, you know. When will it actually happen? That is the question. It did happen at one point in my life, but is it a regular happening? I don't know.
Absolutely, women have to do it 10 times to be doing it once. Also, to be constantly, you know, be supported by actors. It's very hard. But I just feel like I genuinely want men actors to answer this question. I just feel like the onus of answering these questions on women is very strange, because we're anyways the people who are
On the receiving end of this.
On the receiving end,
absolutely.
and then to comment,
Yes.
you know, on that, what we can do is create more. Create more opportunities, do more. There is no shortcut of doing more. And we've seen some examples, like Stree 2 is an incredible example. It's the highest box office Hindi language film to date. You know, so there is so much power in just doing that and doing more of that, hopefully. And in 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, we have more examples of that, it will become a norm. I hope so. I'd like to dream
We
so.
all do.